Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Quick Guide. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can download your Dunkin Donuts application on your Android device. Keep watching the video till the end. To download your Dunkin Donuts application, firstly open up your Play Store. In the search box at the top, type in Dunkin Donuts and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on an install button and download the application. But if the application isn't available on Google Play in your region, open your APK for application. Type in Dunkin Donuts and make a search. The search results will be displayed on the screen. Click on Install on the bottom of the page. It will start the downloading process. While downloading the application, make sure that you are connected to a strong internet. After downloading the application, click on an Install button to install the application. Click on Open button to launch the application. Open the application and that is how you will be able to download your Dunkin Donuts application on your Android device quickly and easily just in few steps. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.